Questions 1 to 2. Read a text aloud. Directions. In this part, you will be asked to read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then, you will have 45 seconds to read the text out loud. Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
Good afternoon, book lovers. Riverside Bookstore is pleased to welcome local author Maria Collins this Friday at 6 p.m. for a special reading and book signing. The event will take place in the second floor reading area. Seating is limited, so guests are encouraged to arrive early. Copies of the author's newest novel will be available for purchase. We hope to see you there.
Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
Attention members, please note that our evening fitness class schedule will change starting next Monday. Yoga will now begin at 6 p.m., followed by spinning at 7 p.m. and strength training at 8 p.m. All classes will be held in Studio B on the second floor. Please reserve your spot online in advance. Locker rooms and showers will remain available after each class. Thank you for choosing Active Life Fitness Center.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to describe the pictures on the screen in as much detail as possible. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 30 seconds to talk about the pictures. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, an older woman is sitting in a waiting area in what appears to be a medical clinic or hospital. She is wearing a face mask and is filling out a form on a clipboard, while a nurse in blue scrubs is standing beside her and pointing to the paper. Both of them seem focused on the document. In the background, another medical worker can be seen in the hallway near the checkout area.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, a family appears to be shopping in a furniture store. A man is sitting next to a light-colored armchair, and a young boy is touching the chair as if they're checking its size or comfort. A woman is standing nearby and watching them. In the foreground, there is a sofa, a coffee table, and a price sign, while more furniture and lamps can be seen in the background. The scene suggests that the family is looking for new furniture for their home.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 5 and 6, and 30 seconds to respond to question 7. Imagine that you are talking to a neighbor about pets and animals. Now, I'm going to ask you 3 questions.
Do you have a pet? Or have you ever had one?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I do not have a pet right now, but I have had pets before. At one point in my life, we had 4 dogs in our house, 4 miniature schnauzers, and 1 big, beautiful husky, so I have a lot of experience with pets.
Do you prefer cats or dogs? Why?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I definitely prefer dogs because they are loyal, friendly, and very affectionate. I also enjoy their energy, and I think they are great companions for both individuals and families.
In your opinion, what are the benefits of having a pet?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In my opinion, having a pet has many benefits. First, pets can provide companionship and make people feel less lonely. They can also reduce stress and improve your mood after a long day. In addition, pets, especially dogs, can encourage people to be more active because they need walks and regular care. From my own experience, having dogs also creates many fun and memorable moments at home.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to refer to information on the screen in order to answer 3 questions. The information will be shown for 45 seconds before you hear the questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 8 and 9, and 30 seconds to respond to question 10. Begin preparing now.
Good afternoon. I need to send a package with Quick Send Express. Can you tell me about the package size limits?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Thank you for choosing us. The maximum package weight is 20 kilograms, and the maximum package length is 100 centimeters. Also, if the item is fragile, it must be clearly labeled.
We are not in a hurry, so the cheapest version works for me. Can you tell me about the standard delivery option?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Standard delivery is the lowest cost shipping option. Starting at $7 per package, it is available nationwide and usually takes between 3 and 5 business days.
If it takes a couple of days to arrive, I would like to track my package. Could you tell me about your tracking support?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Let me tell you 4 points regarding tracking support. all shipments include a tracking number. Customers can track their packages on the company website or through the mobile app. In addition, email and text message delivery updates are available if requested. And finally, if customers need more help, customer service can also provide tracking support by phone.
Directions. In this part, we'll be asked to give your thoughts on a certain topic. It is to your advantage to speak as much as possible in the time provided. You will have 30 seconds to prepare your response and 60 seconds to speak. Some people prefer buying a new car, while others prefer buying a used car. Which do you think is better? Give reasons and examples to support your opinion. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I think buying a used car is better for most people. One reason is that it is usually much more affordable than buying a new car. This means people can save money or use that money for other important expenses, such as insurance, maintenance, or family needs. Another reason is that a used car often gives better value. A new car loses value very quickly in the first few years, but a used car has already gone through most of that depreciation. For example, someone can buy a reliable used car in good condition for a much lower price than a brand new one. Of course, a new car may come with the latest features and fewer problems at first. However, in my opinion, a used car is the better choice because it is more practical, more economical, and still meets the needs of most drivers. You've officially finished all 11 questions. Great job! Which part did you find the most challenging today? Let me know in the comment section below. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more updated 2026 TOEIC content. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay awesome!